Welcome back. We are in the kitchen, the fake kitchen.
We're kind of in the set kitchen.
We're in the makeshift set kitchen with Food Network personality Jason Smith. We love when you are here.
Honey, I love being here.
Well, you don't even have to make us stuff, and I just love having you here.
Know, it's just fun. I like to make stuff, though.
Well, you are making stuff today. What are we making?
Listen, you know, does it smell good?
It smells
really
good, but
yeah.
I told you, I asked the first thing when I walked over. And
in case y'all don't know, she don't know how to cook.
Well, no, I definitely can't.
So today what we're making is a cookie that you can have for breakfast or a snack. Yes, you can have cookies for breakfast.
I agree with you. There's no rules.
Yeah, there's no rules with that. But this is a healthy cookie. But you don't want to call it a healthy cookie because then you can't get your kids to eat it.
And that's just my face right there. Yeah. I saw it was like a healthy cookie. That doesn't sound fun.
It's not. So I never call it a healthy cookie.
What
it's
makes
just
it
cookies.
Healthy?
Well, you're going to see here in a minute. So in here, you're going to take this tater masher, and I have some bananas in there.
They don't look appealing.
Well, they don't,
now.
but we're going to make them look really good. But you're going to mash this.
Is there a correct mashing technique?
No, honey, you just beat the life out of it. Don't sling it all over the studio. But as she holds her one leg up and stirs into the bananas is her technique. So, and then you add some oatmeal.
Just oatmeal from like the
This is
can?
just quick cook oats. And then in here I have some honey, cinnamon, and vanilla.
That smells so good.
Okay. Yeah,
Just
smell
whip.
it.
Okay, so just keep mashing?
Yeah, just keep mashing, and then some golden raisins.
It smells so good.
And I like do you eat golden raisins, or do you like the regular
I
raisins?
like golden raisins. I mean, I don't usually go out looking for them, but I'll eat them.
The golden raisins are more like little sweet treats because they're sweeter than a dark raisin. So that's why I use this, because that's all that goes in this cookie is a banana or a couple bananas, some oatmeal, some honey, a little bit of spice, and then those golden raisins. And you drop it by spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake it for like 12 to 18 minutes. And then that's it. And then it comes out looking like this. And then if you want to, on some of these.
White?
So the white on the ones that I did here is just a white chocolate drizzle. So you would use this one for your snack. And the ones that doesn't have the white chocolate drizzle, say for breakfast. But it makes it more fun, and they smell so good.
They smell so good.
And there's, you know, it's good. It's good for you because there's no sugar. Refined sugar. There is no eggs in it. There's no flour in it. So this is gluten-free, vegan. This is anything you want it to be. That's it. That's all that goes in this cookie.
I feel like I could make this, although I'm holding this really hard.
Yeah,
like a cookie in one hand.
But see how easy it mashes up.
Oh, it's so easy.
Okay, so a big trick with your banana in this, though, while you taste the cookie, let me tell you about your banana. So we all know when you buy bananas at the store, they can either be green or they can't be ripe enough. Correct? Mm-hmm. So you need your banana to be super ripe for this. Isn't that good? Honey,
this is amazing.
I'm telling you, it'd slap your brains out.
These are better than cookies you buy in the store.
Well, honey, that's because they're made with love. That's why they're so good. They're made with love.
That's the hidden ingredient.
Yeah.
But as I was mashing them
as you were mashing, that was the love. Yeah, she was taking out her frustrations and showing her love all at the same time.
So, do we buy these bananas ripe, or do we let them sit for a few days?
So if you can't get the bananas that are super ripe in the store, so what you do is you put them in the freezer for about 2 hours and let them freeze, and then you take them out. They thaw within 5 or 10 minutes, and they are super ripe.
And then you just go right for it.
And then you just go right for it. It's all about getting that banana to the consistency that's easy to stir up. And freezing those green bananas will make them ripe.
That makes sense.
Yeah, you don't want to freeze them and then eat it like a banana because they're going to be a little mushy.
It's not a
But
popsicle.
anytime you're making like a cookie, or you're making a bread like banana bread or these cookies, and you need it to be really ripe, just toss them suckers in the freezer.
Jason, we have a lot of health people out there, people on, you know, whatever these macros. I don't know how it goes, but they're looking for alternatives. Can you use any of these ingredients in place of other ones if you're making maybe not in breakfast cookies?
Yeah, you know, you can use oatmeal in place of like white crackers or saltines like that. If you're making meatloaf, you can use oatmeal in that instead of the crackers or the bread, because oatmeal is more fiber and it's really good for you. Anytime that you see a recipe that has honey or sugar in it, you can replace it with honey with the same amount of honey that the sugar is calling for.
That's important to know.
If you have a recipe that you don't want to use eggs in, you can use one banana is the same amount of protein that one egg has. So you can replace the eggs with bananas also because they do the same thing an egg does.
It won't change the way that it comes out when you bake it. It will not change.
You're going to get a little bit of banana flavor, but it's not going to change the way that it comes out.
That's good to know. Do you have all of this up on your website somewhere?
It will be there just as quick as possible. But yeah, my website, you can get the cookies on my website. You can get all this information on the website, and every day I put more and more stuff on there.
Oh,
so there's constant.
You have an entire plethora.
Oh yes,
yes.
There's
recipes.
a lot.
But this one's really good because I mean they taste incredible.
One's good. Yeah, and this one's good for kids to grab on the way out the door to
and they don't even know they're being healthy.
No, and they're good. Yeah.
Tricky, Jason. tricky. Check out his website. He has all of this stuff, and I can assure you, I'm picky, and these are fantastic. And I can mash, so if I can do it, you can do it at home.
Honey, anybody can do that.
That's the #1 thing. Stay with us, Midday Kentucky. You'll be right back.